Do you know this is an interesting case of a chicken that somehow adopted a litter of kittens? What happened to these adorable animals? Let's watch the video today. A chicken raising a litter of kittens is an extremely rare occurrence. There were rumors that the mother cat sent her kittens to her chicken friend for care. Or perhaps the mother cat was no longer around, and the kittens sought warmth in the chicken coop. The owner of the chicken was extremely surprised when he witnessed this scene. He searched everywhere but couldn't find the mother cat anywhere. It took a few days of observation, and he couldn't explain why the chicken had a bunch of kittens huddled around it. Finally, the owner realized that these chicken-raised kittens were actually the offspring of a stray cat that had been accepted by the mother chicken as a bonded sibling and had always protected them. So, wherever the mother cat went, she would leave her kittens with the chicken for care. However, due to the gentle nature of the cat, it often got bullied by other chickens. Every time that happened, the mother chicken intervened to protect the kittens. This love and bond between the chicken and the cat allowed them to live harmoniously under one roof. These kittens truly became an inseparable part of the chicken family. But from then on, the mother chicken refused to lay eggs. One day, a rooster arrived and gave a passionate performance with his melodious crowing. However, the mother chicken didn't pay attention to this display. She was only focused on taking care of the kittens. Sometimes a cat can be an overprotective mother to her chicken offspring. They live together peacefully and have some fascinating interactions. The relationship between these two entirely different species is surprisingly close. In this case, the cat acts as a loving, protective mother to the chicken chicks instead of their actual mother. Love is a part of human life, and even in the animal world, there is no shortage of love, especially maternal love, which is not limited to animals of the same species. A mother cat and a flock of chicken chicks huddle together, with the mother cat extending her arms to comfort the chicks nestled in her embrace, a heartwarming and touching sight. Great maternal love has become touching stories, and the story of the mother cat and the chicken chicks is one of them. In nature, there are many examples of animal motherhood, and chickens are no exception. Chickens, although not afraid of snakes, sometimes face danger from fearsome predators like cobras. The fight between the hen and the cobra showed the unlimited devotion and sacrifice of motherly love in the natural world. The short video shows motherly instincts at their peak as two snakes pounce on the chicks with their viciously sharp teeth. The ruffled hen rushes into battle with the snake, trying to save her little ones. The mother hen had to put all her strength into fighting the enemy and protecting her chicks. In the end, the two snakes had to leave without finding dinner. The scene in this video once again proves to the world the power of maternal instinct. The noble spiritual motivation that helps overcome fear and protect the family. When incubating eggs, the mother hen has to face many lurking dangers. The cobra crawled to attack the mother hen with the intention of stealing the eggs. The mother hen fought to the end to protect her unhatched babies. An extremely dramatic battle between the mother hen and the enemy who intends to harm the chicks. A snake crawled to attack the chicks, but it immediately received a beating from the mother hen. The animal world is very special. Mother chicken but duck. Even so, mother chicken still protects her ducklings with all her might. Immediately, the hen rushed straight towards the snake, determined to chase away the enemy to protect her chicks. After a fierce fight, although the hen was not able to kill her enemy, the snakes understood that they could not win against this mother, who was wholeheartedly protecting her chicks. Finally, the poisonous snake left and the mother hen continued to protect her chicks. Another scene shows a hawk suddenly swooping down to attack a flock of chicks. To protect her chicks, the mother hen did not care about the danger and rushed at this formidable opponent. The mother hen continuously pecked and kicked at the hawk, making it impossible for her opponent to avoid it. The fight continued after that when the mother hen and the hawk went far away from the nest. A brave and strong mother chicken. Motherly love is wonderful. Having a mother is so happy. Little children can safely continue to play and grow in a safe environment protected by their mother. This story once again makes us see the strength of motherly love in nature, encourages our spirit, and engraves in our souls the noble values of family and love. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you again in the next videos on the channel. If you find it interesting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with many people to watch. Thanks a lot.